make a surprise for my dad today. Today we are going to make brownies today, and we are going to start right now. So guys, we have 2 eggs, and I'm gonna beat them up and then I'm gonna put them in the mixer. So I'm gonna start beating them up, and then we'll add them to the mixer. Alrighty, that looks beat up to me too as well. So I'm gonna add them to the mixer. And now I'm gonna add my water. And then now I'm gonna add my oil. And now I'm gonna add the powder now. So I'm just gonna add all of it in. So and now I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna lock it, and then we're gonna put it at 4. And it should get mixing. Get all that powder mixed at the bottom. And that looks like about done to me as well. For 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna cook this for about 20 to 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna put like a little surprise on the top of these brownies. All right, first we're gonna spray our baking dish. Now you can use your hands after you spray it to like mix it around. Now I'm gonna get the sides. And now I'm going to just rub this in with my hands. You can use your hands if you don't like using your hands and you don't want to get your hands dirty or messy, then you don't have to use your hands. Put the batter in the pan. How did stick it in here? You can put it out. So I'm gonna pour this in, and it smells good. Very, very good. Alrighty. Alrighty. It's gonna go in the oven now. Alrighty. And now Alright, so now we're going to push the timer and we're going to go up to 20. But we have to wait for 20 minutes and we'll be back. This out of the brownies out of the oven. We put marshmallows over top them and then we sticked it back in the oven, and now all I have to do is wait for my dad to get home and to plate him.